In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through what's called a combination exercise, which is two exercises put together to make one singular exercise. In this example, we've got the split squat and we've got the press movement, the overhead press. So we're going to be working muscles of the lower and upper body when we do this. So firstly, let me get rid of this and let me just show you the split squat first. Then I'll go on to the press and how we set it up. So firstly, with the split squat, what I want you to do is I want you to have your feet really narrow. So there's a slight gap between the feet. It's a narrow position. And what you're going to do is you're going to keep your body up, looking forwards. You're going to bring one leg back to make a staggered stance. So one leg stays completely in contact with the floor. The other leg's going to come back. And notice with the back leg how I'm on my tiptoes and also the balls of my forefoot. From here, I keep that nice neutral position, looking forwards, bring the back leg down and come back up. Now, if we was going to add a press into this, we would have the resistance band like so, we would come down, and as we come up, we would press up. So how do we do that? How do we set that exercise up? Now, you'll remember I said that one foot was on the floor and one foot you was on your forefoot and your toes. So we're going to need to put this around the front foot. So whatever foot is forwards for you, that is what's going to be in contact with this band. So I'm going to place the band around the heel of my front foot. I'm then going to come up into this position. So band around the heel and like so. Notice how I've got my knuckles facing towards the camera. And what I'm going to do is when I come into my split squat and I come down, I'm then going to bring those knuckles up towards the ceiling and straight up above my head. Okay? So from this position, I come down, knuckles up, straight above the head, down, knuckles up, straight above the head. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how you do a resistance band overhead press with a split squat.